Have you ever experienced a burning sensation in your chest after eating or a sour taste in your mouth? These are classic signs of acid reflux, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid escapes into the esophagus, causing irritation and discomfort. While occasional reflux is normal, frequent episodes can lead to more serious issues like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. In this video, we'll explore what acid reflux is, identify its common symptoms, and discuss some powerful natural remedies, including specific vitamins and supplements that can help manage and alleviate its symptom. Let's get started on your journey to better digestive health and a more comfortable life. What is acid reflux? Acid reflux is a condition that occurs when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, the tube that connects your throat to your stomach. This backflow happens when the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, a ring of muscle at the base of the esophagus, does not close properly or relaxes inappropriately. Normally, the LES acts as a gatekeeper, opening to allow food into the stomach and closing to prevent acid and partially digested food from moving back up. However, when the LES malfunctions, stomach acid can escape into the esophagus, leading to irritation and a burning sensation known as heartburn. While acid reflux can occur occasionally without cause for concern, frequent episodes may indicate gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, a chronic condition that requires management to prevent complications. Understanding how acid reflux occurs is crucial for identifying triggers and finding effective ways to manage symptoms. Signs of acid reflux. The symptoms of acid reflux can vary from person to person, but the most common sign is heartburn. Burning sensation in the chest that often occurs after eating and can worsen when lying down or bending over. Other symptoms include regurgitation of food or sour liquid, a feeling of a lump in the throat, and difficulty swallowing. Some individuals may also experience chronic cough, sore throat, or hoarseness. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life, causing discomfort and interfering with activities such as eating, sleeping, and even speaking. Recognizing these signs is essential for seeking timely treatment and managing the condition effectively. Vitamins and remedies to stop acid reflux. Many people are turning to natural remedies and supplements to help manage and alleviate the symptoms of acid reflux. Here we explore 5 powerful options that can play a significant role in promoting digestive health and reducing reflux episodes. 1. Ginger. Ginger is a time-tested remedy for a variety of digestive issues and is particularly effective in treating nausea and indigestion. Its active compounds, such as gingerol and shogal, have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can soothe the gastrointestinal tract. Ginger helps to improve gastric motility, which is the movement of food through the stomach and intestine. By speeding up the process of gastric emptying, ginger reduces the likelihood of food and acid lingering in the stomach and subsequently refluxing into the esophagus. Incorporating ginger into your diet can be as simple as drinking ginger tea, adding fresh ginger to smoothies, or using ginger as a spice in cooking. 2. Probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that provide health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. These beneficial bacteria help balance the gut microbiome, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. A balanced gut microbiome can reduce inflammation, improve the integrity of the gut lining, and enhance overall digestion. Probiotics can be found in fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or taken as supplements. By supporting a healthy digestive environment, probiotics can alleviate symptoms of acid reflux by preventing harmful bacteria from overgrowing and causing inflammation or gas, which can exacerbate reflux symptoms. Regular consumption of probiotics can lead to better digestion, reduced bloating, and a decrease in the frequency and severity of acid reflux episodes. 3. Betaine HCl. Betaine hydrochloride, HCl, is a supplement used to increase stomach acidity, which can be beneficial for individuals with low stomach acid levels. Adequate stomach acid is essential for the proper digestion and absorption of nutrients, as well as for preventing the growth of harmful bacteria in the stomach and intestines. Low stomach acid can lead to incomplete digestion, causing food to remain in the stomach longer than necessary, which can increase the risk of acid reflux. By supplementing with Betaine HCl, individuals can improve their digestive efficiency, ensuring that food is broken down properly and moved quickly through the digestive tract. This can help reduce the likelihood of reflux symptoms. However, it's important to use Betaine HCl under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as it is not suitable for everyone, particularly those with normal or high stomach acid levels. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a popular natural remedy often used to improve digestion and support weight loss. Despite its acidic nature, ACV is believed to have an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. This can help balance stomach acidity and improve digestion in individuals with low stomach acid. Taking a small amount of diluted apple cider vinegar before meals can aid in the digestion process, stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, and promote the proper breakdown of food. This can reduce the risk of acid reflux by preventing the buildup of pressure in the stomach, can lead to the backflow of acid into the esophagus. It's crucial to dilute ACV in water before consumption to protect tooth enamel and prevent irritation of the throat. Additionally, ACV may not be suitable for everyone, so it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider before use. 5. Zinc L-carnosine. Zinc L-carnosine is a unique compound that combines zinc with the amino acid carnosine. This combination has been shown to have protective effects on the stomach lining and esophagus, promoting healing and reducing inflammation. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in immune function and tissue repair, while carnosine is a natural antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Together, they work synergistically to enhance the integrity of the gastrointestinal lining, making it more resistant to irritation from stomach acid. Zinc L-carnosine has been studied for its ability to support mucosal health, reduce gastric inflammation, and promote the healing of ulcers. By protecting and repairing the esophageal lining, zinc L-carnosine can help alleviate the damage caused by acid reflux and reduce symptoms over time. It's a promising supplement for those seeking to support gut health and prevent further esophageal damage. Root causes of acid reflux. Understanding the causes of acid reflux is essential for managing its symptoms effectively. Several factors can contribute to the development of acid reflux, including dietary choices, lifestyle habits, and certain medical conditions. Common dietary triggers include spicy foods, fatty or fried foods, citrus fruit, chocolate, caffeine, and carbonated beverages. These foods can relax the LES or increase stomach acidity, leading to reflux symptoms. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as overeating, lying down immediately after eating, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption can exacerbate acid reflux. Obesity and pregnancy also increase the risk due to increased pressure on the abdomen. Identifying and addressing these triggers is key to managing acid reflux and preventing its occurrence. How to stop acid reflux permanently. To tackle acid reflux permanently, consider making these simple lifestyle changes. Avoid antacids. Instead of relying on antacid drugs, which can neutralize essential stomach acid, try Betaine HCl or apple cider vinegar before meals. These natural remedies help restore digestion and close the lower esophageal sphincter, preventing acid reflux. They also balance stomach pH for better nutrient absorption. Eat raw cabbage. Incorporate raw, shredded cabbage into your diet, using varieties like red, green, or sauerkraut. Cabbage is rich in glutamine, chlorophyll, and vitamin C, which help heal the stomach lining and esophagus from acid damage. Limit refined grains and oils. Reduce intake of foods like bread, pasta, and vegetable oils. Instead, focus on whole foods like eggs, wild fish, olive oil, and vegetables to support digestion and reduce inflammation. Add natural salts. Use Himalayan or Celtic sea salt on your meals to boost stomach acid production with chloride. Include potassium-rich foods like avocados and leafy greens to support digestion. Hydrate with mineral water. Start your day with carbonated mineral water to hydrate your digestive tract and strengthen stomach acidity. Cut back on tea and coffee until symptoms improve. Manage stress and sleep. Stress can worsen acid reflux, so practice relaxation techniques like walking in nature. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir can help heal your digestive system and manage stress.